Hey guys, check this out. It's been a long time since I've seen all three of the cats together, not by the heater. Pretty cool, huh? How cute! I'm surprised Leo didn't beat up Fluffy because earlier he was crying that she was in his bed. And you know, she could lay anywhere else in this whole dang house, but no, she's gotta be in Leo's bed. Meanie. I just wanted to share this beautiful moment with y'all. 3 cute cats. Hope you like it. Thanks so much for watching my silly kitty cat videos. You looking for Squeamy? Where's Squeamy? Where's your Squeamy? Oh, cutie. Alright, folks. Thanks for watching. We'll see ya next time. Right, Bubba's? Bubba's. Stay safe, folks. Have a good one.